Top 5 habits that will make you a millionaire. Are you tired of feeling like financial freedom is just out of reach? Ever wonder how some people seem to make it look so easy, climbing the money ladder straight to millionaire status? Well, here's the secret. Wealth isn't just about luck or even working harder. It's about working smarter. It's about the daily habits you build, the small steps that add up, and the powerful routines that set millionaires apart from the crowd. And guess what? You can start adopting these habits today. In this video, we'll break down 5 essential habits that will not only help you reach your financial goals, but could even make you a millionaire. Stick around till the end because habit number 1 is the game changer that you won't want to miss. Ready to take your first step on the money ladder? Let's jump right in. Habit 5. Set clear financial goals and write them down. Millionaires don't achieve their wealth without direction. They set specific, measurable goals to guide their financial journey. It's not enough to vaguely hope for financial freedom. You need a clear, actionable roadmap. Start by defining your financial goals. Are you aiming to save a certain amount within a year? Do you want to pay off debt by a specific date? Perhaps you want to invest a set percentage of your income. Once you've identified these targets, write them down. Studies show that writing down goals significantly increases the likelihood of achieving them. Break your big goals down into smaller, manageable steps and track your progress. Reviewing these goals regularly keeps them fresh in your mind, making it easier to stay motivated and on track. Remember, every millionaire started with a clear vision and a plan to achieve it. Your goals are your compass on the journey to financial success, so use them well. Habit 4. Live below your means and track. Every expense, one of the most underrated habits of millionaires, is their dedication to financial discipline. They don't let flashy purchases or impulsive spending derail their progress. Instead, they live below their means, prioritizing long-term wealth over short-term satisfaction. To adopt this mindset, start by tracking every expense, no matter how small. This habit will open your eyes to where your money is really going and reveal areas where you can cut back. Apps like Mint or YNAB, you need a budget, can make tracking easy, or even a basic spreadsheet will work wonders. By living below your means, you're not only saving more, but also avoiding the trap of lifestyle inflation, the tendency to spend more as you earn more. Remember, financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, but about how much you save and invest. By controlling your spending and focusing on what truly matters, you'll build a solid foundation for long-term wealth. Habit 3. Prioritize learning and self-education. Millionaires are lifelong learners. They understand that staying informed and educated is the key to making smarter financial decisions and spotting new opportunities. Self-education isn't limited to formal schooling. It includes reading books, attending seminars, taking online courses, and even learning from mentors. Make it a habit to read at least one book per month in fields like personal finance, investing, or business. Look for free or low-cost resources like podcasts, webinars, or YouTube channels dedicated to financial literacy. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate complex financial decisions, from choosing investments to understanding tax strategies. This dedication to learning sets millionaires apart because it keeps them prepared for change. In an ever-evolving financial world, knowledge truly is power, so make self-education one of your top priorities. Habit 2. Make investing a priority, not an option. If you want to become a millionaire, simply saving isn't enough. You need to make your money work for you through investing. Millionaires understand that real wealth is built when money generates more money. They see investing as a priority, a necessary part of their financial strategy, not just an option. To adopt this mindset, start by setting aside a percentage of your income specifically for investing. Even if you're starting small, consistency is what counts. Begin with investments that align with your risk tolerance and goals, such as index funds, ETFs, or mutual funds. You could even explore real estate, stocks, or bonds as you gain confidence. The key is to start early and make it a regular habit. Millionaires know that it's not about timing the market perfectly, but about spending time in the market. The earlier you invest, the more time your money has to grow through compounding, which can lead to exponential wealth over time. By prioritizing investing, you're setting yourself up for long-term financial security and putting yourself on the path to financial freedom. Habit 1. Build multiple streams of income. The most critical habit that separates millionaires from the rest? They don't rely on just one income source. Instead, they create multiple streams of income to diversify and strengthen their financial foundation. Think about it. Depending on a single paycheck or job means your entire financial well-being is tied to that one source, which can be risky. Millionaires recognize this and actively seek other ways to earn. For example, they might have income from a full-time job, side businesses, rental properties, stock dividends, or royalties from digital products. Creating multiple streams doesn't happen overnight. It starts with small steps. Consider freelancing, investing in dividend-paying stocks, or launching a low-cost side business that aligns with your skills. As each stream begins to grow, it adds another layer of financial security and a new avenue to increase wealth. With multiple income sources, you're not only cushioning yourself against economic uncertainty, but also accelerating your journey to financial independence. This habit is a powerful way to achieve millionaire status because it gives you the flexibility, security, and potential to grow wealth at a much faster rate. And there you have it, the 5 habits that will put you on the path to becoming a millionaire. Remember, each of these habits may seem small, but the impact they can have on your financial future is massive. Building wealth isn't about making drastic changes overnight. It's about consistently taking small steps that compound over time. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these habits today and watch as you climb the money ladder one step at a time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tips on achieving financial success. Let's get rich together, one habit at a time.